Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Danabe binti Nabil. I'm a student from SMK Kamunting. Today, I will review a book entitled Fashion Figures. The author of this book is Melissa Borza. This book contains 110 pages. The story is about Missy Maker, who is a middle school girl who loves maths and fashion. She sees maths in everything she does. For example, when she ties her hair, she will picture her head as a globe and overlay a compass in her mind's eye. Then she will grab her ponytail, quickly divide the hair between two hands and pull and rake it up to the nose bone. So she always tries to hide this from her friends because she thinks it's too geeky. The real reason she wants to hide this matter from her friends because she wants to shed her childhood nickname Missy Matchmaker. Missy always be mocked by that nickname and made her feel uncomfortable and feeling bullied. Later in the morning, Mrs. Father, Mr. Maker, said that he heard from Miss Johnson that a new maths club this year, and if they have enough students, they can compete in the Maths Olympic. Miss Johnson was Mrs. Math's teacher, her neighbor, and her father's childhood friends. Missy already knew about the Maths Club, but she worried about what her friends will think if she joins, and she already committed to joining the fashion club with her best friend Andrea Jane Duper, better known as AJ. After joining the fashion club, Missy heard from AJ that fashion club has its first very competition in a mere 2 weeks. Missy felt very excited and nervous. Later in maths class, she cannot focus in the class because she thinks about the fashion competition. After the maths class over, Miss Johnson asked Missy if she's interested to join the maths clubs because Miss Johnson thinks Missy is very a talented person. Missy turned down the offer, but Miss Johnson asked her to think about it again. During the first meeting of the fashion club, Mrs. Frisch, a senior of fashion club, asked the member to choose the club name and vote for the best. All the members agreed to name the club as Figures and Icons. After 2 weeks of preparing for the fashion competition, finally time to compete. The Fashion and Icons go to New Milford Regional where the competition will be held. The fashion competition has started. Missy and her teammates started to design the clothes inspired by their school recycling campaign. It means taking something old and remaking it into something new. Time's out. Now it's time for the model to do the runaway. During the other team runaway, Missy was very impressed by their creativity. Fashion and Icon won second place. Missy and her teammate was very happy because she get praised by her fashion idol Sarah Demont, which is one of the judges for their team design. 1 week later, Missy got news that one of the members who is going to compete for Maths Olympic gets sick. Miss Johnson asked for her help to take part in the maths competition. She felt guilty to turn down Miss Johnson, so she just agreed to it. At the Maths Olympics, Missy was surprised to see Sarah Demont there and shocked to hear that Sarah Demont was a designer and a maths lead. The Maths Club get first place in the Maths Olympics. Missy felt very happy and excited. Suddenly, Missy saw a comment and a social media said something that she doesn't want to hear or see anymore. That's it, Missy Matchmaker. Missy told her best friend AJ about it and shocked to know that AJ was the one that commented it to cheer Missy for the competition. Missy knew that AJ means good. After that day, Missy doesn't think Missy Matchmaker was something that mocked her but a compliment that gave her courage. Did you find that interesting? For me, yes. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.